Here in this video, we will show you how can I install an RPM in my WHM root. Sometimes we would like to install RPM while using WHM root. For that, log into your WHM root and then go to Install an RPM section which is given under Software. So, simply click over Software. Now, click over Install an RPM. Now you will find a page where you will be opted to select a package to install. Simply select a package that you would like to install and then click over Install. This will take some time and then your RPM package will be installed successfully. If you are looking for a reliable and experienced web hosting provider, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you. You must give a try.